while government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies. Digital currencies are picking up speed. One of the delegated wonders among crypto resources is Ethereum, included as ETH. With decentralized finance turning into all the rage, calculations and science-upheld digital forms of money appear to be administering the blockchain world. Outline of Ethereum, a wonder creation by Vitalik Buterin. The Ethereum blockchain is a high-level venture. It is generally well known among digital money devotees, primarily because of its nodal position in the realm of cryptographic forms of money. The blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this biggest digital money. The whole peculiarity and the essential center is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash viewpoint and use Ether crypto for all commercial center exchanges. The Ethereum convention empowers designers to plan and work on shrewd agreements, consequently carrying out tasks under unambiguous circumstances. Ethereum 2.0, likewise called peacefulness. ETH 2.0 is the expansion of the Ethereum system with added elements to further develop usefulness in the Ethereum blockchain. It had a steady and reliable stage-wise revealing with market tests and preliminaries to see mass reception and worthiness. As a forerunner to additional upgrade and productivity, Ethereum 2.0 presented a sharding procedure to diminish the exchange cost and speed up. Including sharding with the existing blend will expand its asset utilization execution amazingly. Furthermore, Ethereum 2.0 started web low-level computing construct in a framework UASM that would before long supplant EVM, Ethereum virtual machine, permitting a decision from different dialects to compose code to run on the blockchain. Ethereum 2.0 and the consolidation are currently at last finished. Best of all, Ethereum is presently more eco-accommodating because of the union. Ethereum specialized in major examination. The whole cryptographic money market experiences erratic cost unpredictability, going with the speculation choice and altcoins seriously testing. Notwithstanding, according to our gauges and specialized examination, the crypto world will just see a flood in exchanging exercises and venture altcoins. ETH cryptographic money confronted colossal negative tension in the midst of a general market auction, and the cost fell underneath $2,500 by January 2022 end. In continuation, due to the crypto market slump of May 2022, the cost of Ethereum fell further. Since arriving at the ETH in November 2021, ETH digital money has checked gigantic unpredictability in its cost activity. In 2023, the symbolic even crossed the $2,000 mark after a significant delay. Over the course of the past week, the cost of Ethereum exchanged between the scope of $2,120 and $1,700. Right now, the ETH cost is exchanging around $1,813. How high will Ethereum go? One of the fundamental motivations behind why Ethereum was going down was the series of forceful loan fee climbs by the central bank to battle expansion. Financial backers were ceaselessly stressed over the gamble and vulnerability related with the crypto market, in this way searching for preferable choices over the crypto market to put away their cash. In any case, when Bitcoin at last crossed the $30K mark, the whole market saw a cost rise. In view of the latest thing, Ethereum will ascend to a worth of $20,643 by 2030. In the year 2021, Ethereum's cost brought financial backers gigantic returns before the beginning of the new year. Yet, in 2022, there was a huge drop in the cost for every one of the resources. According to long-haul Ethereum cost expectations, ETH is a particularly extraordinary resource for venture for dealers who can exploit these short and long-haul cost swings. Ethereum value expectation 2023. In view of the specialized examination and cost variances, Ethereum cryptographic money might exchange at a typical cost of $2,755 in 2023. In examination, the base and greatest costs of ETH are expected to be $1,607 and $3,904 according to our ETH cost forecast. Ethereum forecast 2024. Taking a gander at the Ethereum value expectation and specialized investigation, it very well may be guessed that the greatest worth of ETH might be around $5,097. Simultaneously, the previous presentation likewise recommends that the base and normal qualities might be $3,541 and $4,319. Ethereum value expectation 2025. According to our ETH forecast 2025, the base, normal, and most extreme exchange values might be around $4,559, $5,561, and $6,564 in the crypto market. As per our Ethereum forecast 2025, we expect numerous organizations and combinations sooner rather than later of the Ethereum organization. Ethereum Value Expectations 2026. Our Ethereum gauge uncovers that the Ether's cost will exchange between $5,915 to $8,515, where the previous is the least conceivable cost while the last option is the most elevated conceivable cost for 2026. Conversely, the typical cost for the year might be $7,215. ETH forecast 2027. In light of the Ethereum cost expectation, the coin might have a possible high and likely low of $11,142 and $7,740 separately. The typical Ethereum cost for the year 2027 is supposed to be around $9,441. ETH expectation 2028 as indicated by our Ethereum forecasts. For the year 2028, the base and most extreme costs are supposed to be around $9,213 and $13,263 separately. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging cost of Ethereum might be around $11,238 in light of our Ethereum crypto cost forecast. Ethereum cost figure 2029 constantly 2029. Ethereum's cost will have seen an extraordinary ascent, expanding the market capitalization of the coin as well as its interest. In view of our Ethereum coin cost forecast, the coin's cost might reach as high as $16,713 in the year 2029. While it might exchange around a low of $11,610. The typical worth is supposed to be around $14,162. Ethereum Value Forecast 2030. Our ETH cost expectations 2030 showed the coin may be hustling to peak. The token might have a base cost of $14,340 in the long haul, while the Ethereum cost might record a critical high of $20,643 by 2030, according to our Ethereum cost forecast. The Ethereum future looks extremely encouraging, with a typical worth of $17,492 in the year 2030 in view of our examination. Greg Lunt tweets, #Ethereum's cost activity addresses the altcoin market all in all. With Ethereum showing such a lot of commitment, it has support from all the business crypto experts. We infer that the Ethereum projected development will without a doubt arrive at outrageous highs. According to our ETH cost forecast, on the off chance that you exchange Ethereum at the ongoing value, you might acquire great returns. Be that as it may, this doesn't comprise speculation counsel in any structure. Complete your own exploration to decrease the high gamble of losing cash quickly. Will Ethereum go up in 2023? Without a doubt, your interest in ETH makes certain to break all limits according to our Ethereum cost forecast. Be that as it may, do your own exhaustive examination prior to putting away your cash. Take your exchanging choices and put away cash just in light of your venture goals to decrease every one of the dangers. How high will Ethereum go? According to our Ethereum cost expectation, no other crypto can guarantee a fantasy with this hopefulness. Adding ETH to your crypto wallet can end up being an important speculation. Gave you plan all your venture choices carefully and decisively. According to our Ethereum cost expectation 2030, the coin will have essentially a worth of $14,028